He locked me out
Okay.
at 2 in the morning. He literally just watched me through the peephole, laughing at me, saying that I deserved it.
That's really awful. I'm sorry that you had to experience that.
Well, while I was outside, I just kept thinking about what you said last time, how this isn't normal. And honestly, I've come to the point where I want to leave, but I'm scared that if I do, that he'll just keep coming at me. And so I was looking into restraining orders, but what would happen if the judge doesn't take me and my story seriously? The problem is I've stayed and I've gone back to him. And what if they look at that and they think, well, if it was really that bad, why didn't he leave sooner?
That's something that a lot of people worry about. But I want to make it very, very clear. Staying in an unhealthy or in an abusive relationship does not make somebody at fault for experiencing. It doesn't mean that you deserved it. It definitely doesn't mean that a judge isn't going to take it seriously. Judges and judicial officers within the court system have to be educated on the dynamics of, and especially on the dynamics of domestic before they can render verdicts on whether or not to issue a domestic restraining order. So they are aware that oftentimes these patterns, these behaviors, they're cyclical. They're not just a one-off incident. It can be something that, escalates over time. And that's why I think it's so important that you've identified for yourself that, yes, you want to leave that relationship, that, yes, there are options that you can seek to protect yourself. But again, I just want to make it very clear. Just because you decided to stay in that relationship does not mean that you are to blame for the abuse that was perpetrated against you. That was a choice that Tyler made in your relationship.